You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this new perfume by Paco Rabanne. We'll be looking at how to say more names from luxury and fashion as well. In French it's said as Olympea Solar. Olympea Solar. So in English, Olympea, I guess it's the closest you can pronounce it. Solar. Olympea Solar. In French again, Olympea Solar. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more names of beauty products and perfumes. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.